Alright guys, so you wanna get Apple AI on your SE2 or any other unsupported iPhone? Stick around because I'm gonna show you how. Honestly, buying an iPhone 15 Pro or 16 Pro just for Apple AI is a total waste of time. As you can see, I got Apple AI running on my SE 2020 right now. Yep, even the image playground feature is here. I will show you exactly how to do this. First thing you're gonna do is, if you're outside of the US like I'm here in Europe, you have to change the App Store location to the United States. You can use whatever random US address and phone number you want. Just keep in mind, doing so you can lose your current App Store subscriptions. Also change the region and language to the United States and English US, otherwise it won't work. Next, make sure you have the beta updates turned on and you need to be on iOS 18.2 Developer Beta 2. It won't work on Beta 3, Apple patched it, so just double check you are on iOS 18.2 Beta 2. If you're already on the Beta 3, no worries, you can still download Beta 2. Just go to ipswbeta.dev and grab the Beta 2 file for your specific phone. So in my case, I have the SE2 and I need the Developer Beta 2 file, so this is what I download. What you want to do is connect your iPhone to your Mac and select it from the sidebar. Then just hold the Option key and click on Restore iPhone. From there, choose the IPSW file we downloaded earlier, and this will completely wipe your phone and install iOS 18.2 Developer Beta 2. So just be sure you have a backup if you're doing this on your daily driver. Okay, so now we have a fresh copy of iOS 18.2 Developer Beta 2, and the first thing you want to do is turn off Find My iPhone. This is mandatory, otherwise it won't work. But don't stress, once we are done, you can turn it back on. Next, we need to save a property list file on your phone called MobileGestalt, or however you pronounce that. There's a shortcut to make this easy. The link is in the description below, so just download the shortcut and run the shortcut, save the file on your phone, and you're set for the next step. And the next step is to open the Files app, find the file we just saved, and send it to your PC or Mac. You can use email, WhatsApp, or whatever works for you. I'm on a Mac, so I'm just gonna long press it, hit share, and airdrop it to my Mac. Alright, now we need the app where the magic happens, so go ahead and download the Nugget App. Link is in the description below. Just make sure you're running at least Windows 10 or macOS 12 Monterey and have Python 3 installed. If you run into any issues with the install, I got a step-by-step article linked below for troubleshooting. Once you have Nugget installed, you're good to go. Alright, now to do the mod, open Nugget and you will see a screen that looks like this. Plug in your phone and then go to Eligibility, enable Apple Intelligence, and down where it says Spoof Device Model, choose iPhone 15 Pro. Grab the file we saved from your phone earlier, select it and hit Apply Changes. Your phone will reboot and that's it. Alright guys, so if you're on a phone with a Face ID, you might get a Face ID error or a message that Face ID doesn't work. If you're on an iPhone with Touch ID like I am, you won't have this problem, but you will most likely get a unverified battery message just like this one. No big deal, I'll show you how to fix that in a minute. Alright guys, but first, here we are on my iPhone SE 2020. Let's head to Settings, scroll down, and here it is, Apple Intelligence and Siri. Just tap on it and it will start preparing everything you need. So basically it needs to download the AI package, and yeah, once downloaded, you will see an option to turn on Apple Intelligence, so Just tap on turn on Apple Intelligence, and that's basically it. You now got Apple Intelligence running on an iPhone that doesn't officially support it. Now, I've been testing the new Siri, and honestly, it's nothing mind-blowing. I'm not sure if it was all worth it, but yeah, while there are some improvements to the new Siri, it's still pretty much the old Siri, just with a fancy new animation, and she's still pretty much dumb as a bag of rocks and nowhere near like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Okay, now time to fix that Face ID error or that annoying battery warning. The solution is pretty simple, guys. What you want to do is go ahead and turn off Apple Intelligence. Keep your iPhone plugged into your Mac and open the Nugget app again. Go back to eligibility and just make sure the Enable Apple AI is ticked. And this time set spoof device model to none. Then choose the MobileGestalt file again and click apply. This will once again restart your phone, and after the restart you will still have Apple Intelligence, but the Face ID and the battery warnings will be gone. And boom! No more unverified battery warning, and I still got the Apple Intelligence on my phone. But there's one catch. If you go back to settings and tap on Apple Intelligence again, it will stop working. So if you're on an SE2 like I am, you might just want to keep the spoofing on and live with the battery warning. Alright, that's a wrap. Hope you found this helpful. Have a great day. I love you all, and I'll catch you in the next video.